morning, I have a so-called bad. Why are we coming cast of me say, and woman cast of me say, I am born a show. Good morning. I have a so-called Badwam Ahosepe, Jumezido, I want some for the Fante doll. I may in a president, another I may in a sisters and brothers association, no, I know. Now, and I pay my more crabba in Badwam Ahosepe. Shatta Michael, why not then the woman say mono we're over. Michael, big ups to you, but I'll talk about some Marty. Now you'll find some no. Oh, but to buy the one see. Now, Mamisha and some last more. Boy, as I make with the page B or Facebook, or big sister B. And as another auntie, but one fat posting to the mom. Hey, as a sister, you're the dream. Echo Facebook, everything fanciful. Watch your mom. I say, those who watch Adom TV will attest that she is indeed the Fante doll, as she is popularly known. Her exceptional fluency in the Fante language is beautiful and soothing to the ears. Oh my God. My. Oh. Everything Fante. Now, me feeling one papa. Me Jim break kind of comments. Oh, as a girl, you do all. As a man jealous. Me mo yo time about as a. Woman me Jim shine ka cra. It's no me Jim break kind of comments. A cra more comments no so Fante do. Everything Fante for me da wanna say. Na na friend pon say. The fantiness in her is like holidays in heaven. Now heaven alone ports then. No holidays in heaven. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Into no economy. Oh, fancies are membia, fancies are unique. Or be say prettiest. Oh my God. Chade, and fein na me shada and the pepe biasa because between my doko. Now me who comments be wama Meta AI cry why worried for me because what your mom Yanshana may change in Pocho one mom the next comment slide no one mom the next comment slide no now will be no concern papa in your day on chebiano make jay I say she will later change to speak tree mark my words or brother words bang one or mark I be teacher on fab pen from mark oh man I'm going nowhere. I'm here to stay. Into no, who concern saying I'm one sample mean change. Mean change. One mom the next one also. No so no ho baby no. Obi say Francis Arthur. I say fantastic, but my fear is that they will force her to speak Chi, else she gets fired. When I am, why are you busy? No. On your share cry now, Michael, you're somebody ready, Mama say. My young boss up multimedia Ghana, my young boss up on Adom TV. That one more opportunity no, the member on channel though, na man count Fante. Adom for when him's a warrior, instant wasn't my but the more hade no. That man count Fante no. Here no, ya wahade, makasa huru bebre. Into no, see who them count Fante or Adom TV da. And you're there or by chance. Inti in a bijina hade. Mpaying fats na say what dream who where who don't hear. Then maybe jina mo hade. Na may dream fantano is a honum. One see in a bijina do. Into no bijina hade am them paying funny in assay. That what mama queen you to them. Now I'm on fantaman so quenya. You able to me bijina on a channel do. Na ya ton heneka say. Into no fantofo, mama and you're worried at asa. The Fante doll is here to stay. I go nowhere. And Adom TV and the Fante doll together. Umpono say your slogan now. Yesterday, you were azar oh ye or Fante Castle. Into no, I will be alright. I worried I'm in piano, but I was be brave for all concern. Now so no brothers and sisters. Me okay, papa, but don't wanna see. Also, into no, Edmond's mamba out. Into no, thanking you all. Okay, into no my young some fufrumu. Aye. And I Yankee and Yankee ya. I na where I had that to each other, but I just shine. It wasn't that with two my papa. Into no my young few hundred man, I young call some fufrumu. Or yeah, Met Gala events are the biggest fashion events we say offending in Arano or Cordro. Ewa abochirime na yehun de after party no asino black hole ne nyom enya sam kakra ba ho no wor bon back to back enyi wo boy ma na mosima pokoli bana boy mo was a vibe no ya hom ka papa ntini yenya video bi enjoy kakra na yom resisi ya okay wo fan cham kakra wo chema wo so pede wo hwe yi no ska wo he then a fine girl and I'm boy no Fante no so or can you papa into no okay mate into no where bas the munko menyim kakra count muko menyim akon na e be just there YouTube inti wo ma wo act wo krom hade no wo register kese powerful acting ana YouTube ama kwenya abada honom ama sisi ara honom a wozo hone nyama wozo todo no sika wo cha worje honom no nye sika kakra ba nso obandam ninti no producers to tua actors na actress ka wo ye ya wodo bo no orika into no me yente no na yembre sisi ya into no say nyimo bi our content o YouTube na a friend na bi say this kind of so nyiska oboa because ya wodo bo secret na about to first no na waka oh acting is area adwuma is area but sika ni madam oh be from crowd be from what says one mamiska ya da bor chema the master begin is a thing of the past orun kodu biom or ya koshi into no yaw yeah that's papa thanks for the information to know I won't so it's no enyi brebi abono wo opportunity ni but mozinara ko be ya channel wodo ye bibi todo ye ba aboshe na enye kakra za to botom se e Ghana nyi mapa inyi musicians wo krom hade inyi ho ma wo twa sene wo krom hade a was to YouTuber kona kohwe no wonye sika wo fanya more project mfama hen na yenhwe ntino ya wodabo ye da sa papa thanks for the information ye free honom na yenko back to na me catch no Met Gala event no after party no enya sam kakra ba black onyom kopue mu papa na me hu da Burna Boy no pokoli mu was rigi hunenwa me yenko hwe video no na hemra into no pokoli again oyaza black sheriff takana sem papa de ono no bo no motum onya intene wo Nigeria okutumo ka gentai wo Nigeria into no pokoli enye no onye Burna Boy worigi hunenwa edam no na menyo ka say oyaza ya hoboaboa na oye weekend ya oda he na nyimi Telecel Ghana Music Awards ya bakwa kwhwe who is who wana no reja baze na ebo wie no name dem obedem bia bilusu bisu be happy be surprised feeling no moti bia no ya baje abobo ano na yes abro na so no Shatta wale dancehall king ochirema o throw weight and o throw no support was my king promise me is okay.
I don't know, 5-star, and in the cooling, got stars in the roof.
Stars.
So no good. Yeah, wale.
That's my artist of the year, though. Fuck you,
yeah, son. I don't know, 5-star, and in the cooling, got stars in the roof.
Stars.
So no good. Yeah, wale.
That's my artist of the year, though. Fuck you.
Oh, into the Shatta wale chema that's my artist of the year. This year now, I have a good feeling there and Hobokoya making promise. Into no, see because squad won papa, Stone Boy wo honom, squad wo mo be sibia no maka chode ba ma ehu. Into no ma yen freedom nsemi mu na Sonny Badu wa share nim sa concern no say oya na homtu no lekan. Mu hu de oya za wa ye dem posti. Na wo chirema sisi ya kwa China menma oncher another we boy China kwa China we boy hospital AI no was he ejuma honom wo fa enko to doctor nyipa bia honom robot fu ya kwa ka problem a chen na waye hwehwem ni nyina robot na wo beye wa mo eduru bibia na hye de asori kofi na ina so ne baduru kirem de AI most mozemi kanu say am to yem wasa obe kakra no na nyimpa humpo nyimfo so biom ana mpo no asor anada igiza ye wo Onyankopon no mu no pocho won fonto ma me na menya kwan man kankan danka Sonny King to suffer Sonny Badu na o chirem there. It is always the creator and inventor that wins, not the people. In this case, what will medical doctors do? Also, the case CSCRA AI hospital here. No. Medical doctors one more wakusunya nimzi da woba yenyipa no adwuma no. Abedwuma pa na woba ye. In my view, artificial intelligence will contend with God. And very soon they will say God is no longer needed. There must be a balance. The sons of God must rise and take spiritual positions that will limit the intelligence of man. If we don't rise soon, even church temples will be taken over by AI. This is just a son of Issachar telling you the time and season we are stepping into. He that has an ear, let him hear what the Spirit is saying. So the Bible say, "Awa ewasono say zasunsumno or a catcher honamno." Or chema ohunde AI obaha wadwen papa. Now I don't know. So me feeling about na channel. It be obey a difference because AI technology is then you crown or cool na tech no so be na nyende in bibi abason call first no na nka kwasoro de make it Bible na so the Bible no cry when your phone so do nti nyama sesa and nyama gudo resesa na nti no online dey say nyama sesa times change na was higher than fast they change be quick because anya careful nyam azaba for wasins no mu da asori no mo so do adapt AI ana makasa by heart asori no adapt to technology no wala aso for one can say wo bompe na wo to bompe was technology well into no so ne badu nsama ozere botugwa wo socials no do no ono na meza abro wi ma ye free honom so na ye nko he na nyim. Say Morotiada Great tampon ekezi breze ezi abom efezi bampa be the reason na kam yim dan ka Ghana fo ke bia be hokopo comment na se na ye you are eating healthy you are chade it's banana mokona ado na Ghana fo ye focus a different cry but I will share video ina yemresisi am ke irebisa ma nke or good information atasa junk no doso o chema eat healthy now so no Ghana fo enya ohonom na message enya no hono no here one pa one for comment no to the mama ai hwe who post a mama me hwe post no da mara na trade nko besan kaka no comments e ho na asam no wo to the bia ho na nkonkonsa na kasa wo otemamu Ochemos bleaching pen. I thought this is for women, boy. Hair by Trudy, you say, no milk, ana. Eja, Amaboa, he must said her own be milk into Ebia. Now he also takes milk. What ma? And Pacho Anyamia. Mr. Boatma, but Onyamia. What ma GD? I say, but why is he bleaching? Or he has a skin condition. Sweet hair. Bleaching. I can comment now. Bleach Pacho. Na share video mo bon mpene bie papa no ampada o bleacher. Ihun no skin color asesa. I don't me share no GTA for event as one no why kokoa. Share Weber for video no sound to do ehun na share ja. But ebia na ehun oye to ebia no we had dey akwa more hits bia back in the day hits bia ansana mako me sure that twena ache na mzere tell into no and there And Kasai, oh, you be I'll call viral. Oh, Chrome had a time the crowd, no social media, and Shatta and but I know or call viral. So social media crowd, oh, why? One fun Kasai from one of them 2 months easy. I want to. Bankoto, Ben, sorry. And you mean now, or a big papa, one of the biggest songs. Into no big ups to you by way of throwback. No one that Mr. Watson, a chill kakra. Mama, happy birthday. So, my sister Adelaide, Akosia, Ampoma, Owusu, or United Kingdom, East London, and or you know, from family home and abroad. Ne papa, Mr. A.A. Owusu, na number and children, you know, Larry, Jaden. You saw Mr. Stanley Tano na Mrs. Florinda Tano nyina no ebusua pa o wo chirema wo kan wo abom na wa mo happy birthday nti no Madam Adelaide Akosua Ampoma Owusu happy birthday to you me dey besi ha day na bomozna na enyim ntin sa wo socials no do Fante do wo baby ai bo Fante dollar mo pay ho na enyimzin sawo do mpocho ehwe na adwuma na me ye ne ye aboma baado onkoye nso a ka kirem be mehwa me ya me kye na mzis bia obe ye bia no akwanya de ho mo bomozina na enyim nkasa o wodo aha na mezi besi ezino ye da Fante no ma agba chi wona da wiwa tawoyi tino moroko Badwam Ahosepe yi obiara so ma se ma mezi ye bra obiara me da ho nya ase Richmond big ups to you ma sordo